Although the Taurus 856 Executive Grade Revolver is well blended, well fitted, looks great in a holster, and now has had maintenance performed on it, the real test is how it shoots, and this is where I'm going to take you next, so stay tuned. Being familiar with J-frame revolvers, as the Taurus 856 Executive Grade Revolver would be classified, according to Smith & Wesson size standards, I pretty much knew what to expect, but you never really know what a firearm is going to do until you shoot it. Greater felt recoil I did expect, as compared to an L-frame revolver like the Smith & Wesson Model 686 3-inch with its greater weight of 40.3 ounces. Versus 25 ounces of the Taurus 856 Executive Grade Revolver, with both firing .38 special ammunition. Muzzle flip should also be more, but maybe not as bad as comparable sized revolvers with 2-inch or 2.5-inch barrel. But then again, given the half-inch or so difference in barrel length, muzzle flip may be a moot point to ponder. With a 3-inch barrel, one can expect a velocity loss of about 100 feet per second, as compared to a 4-inch barreled revolver, but an increase of around the same amount as compared to a 2-inch barreled revolver. Today I was shooting Magtech .38 Special 158 grain FMJ flat-nosed ammunition that typically travels at roughly 755 feet per second out of a 4-inch barrel. Bullet velocity, as usual, is speculative until actually measured from the firearm through which it is being fired. So I can only tell you how I think it feels from this revolver at this time, so don't take my speculations as gospel. I also had some PMC Bronze 132 grain FMJ that is rated at 917 feet per second, and some Armscore .38 Special 158 grain FMJ rated at 891 feet per second. So, let me quit babbling and let you observe how we did at the range.